y'all, I got the wing all uninstalled. Sending this off to Street Garage to paint these holes right here. All right, let me tape up these holes and we're gonna go ahead and drop off the car. All right, I'm gonna drop off this Supra and my side skirts. I packed them in another car. And then next, you guys will see how they look. Let's go.
One eternity later.
Good morning, y'all. I am currently on the way to pick up my Supra from paint. I dropped off my car about a week ago. I'm starting off this morning by picking up the car parts. And Duncan is gonna help me pick up my parts today because the side skirts don't fit in the Supra, so. Good morning, sir. Oh, can I have one too?
Sure, you little fuckhead. Hey, keep the haircut though.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
This is a full order of chicken.
You're gonna get some chicken.
You know how I love me some chicken. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah.
Dude, I'm so excited. Bro.
Vlog, bro.
Yeah.
I just woke up. What the hell?
What's going on, bro? Chicken break. Check it out, boys. Woo! Still black, just covered up the holes and painted the trunk. Finally. Woo-hoo-hoo. Street Garage. He loses your emblems. Where is it? Check out how I packed my skirts, but these joints looking clean. Got the squishmallows protected. Just let them know how you feel about the transmission tune and if you can feel anything different.
All right, let's see what the vibe is. I'll let you guys know.
As always, thank you to Duncan for always piloting the whip. A decent decline, but very doable. And Duncan's supposed to be the master at this. Taking bets right now. $5 Venmo. Honestly, it looks pretty fire without a wing too.
Nah, it has to have a wing.
Oh, you're good, sir.
Yeah, let's give it some juice right here, eh? Oh yeah, she moves out. She moves out. And those shifts are actually so crispy. That feels so good.
The weather cleared up a little bit today. We got some cars out. Jimmy's back finally. Where is he? Right there. And today we're going to be cutting up his car and putting on a wide body. There you go, my friend. Everybody sucks.
All right, they're going out to get some tea.
Tea, you would.
You don't want one?
No, I'm good.
All right, we're gonna start laying these out. None of us are trained professionals and we have no idea what we're doing. Today, we're gonna cut holes in Jimmy's hood.
Drawing on top of Jimmy's car. Who wants it? 15K. What do you think, Jimmy?
It's so ricey.
I wasn't gonna say it.
No turning back now.
Thanks, Bill.
Bill's perfect because he works at Boeing, so nothing they build falls apart.
Boom, boys! We're fucking mechanics in this bitch.
7 hours later.
1 louver later. Ray, Duncan, Maddie left already. It's because Jimmy was being extra and got what? Granted, this is our first time ever attempting anything like this. So these are the hood louvers. And they're flush mounted. So we have to drill enough clearance to put the nut and bolt underneath. So today's game plan, it'll be a success as long as we can get one louver on.
Yeah.
And we'll do another day where we'll cut up the rest of it and put them in. It should be much easier because we've learned a lot. We got together at like 7 o'clock. We did a couple store runs to get some tools too, so. Beautiful day today. It was supposed to rain and it was sunny. All the homies came over. Picked up these from Street Garage. Side skirts are back from paint, so I will be installing these soon. Hey Brett, can you help my brother out? Pretty good.
I like it. I think the carbon accent in the front too. It's been fun. We learned a lot. I think the next 3 louvers should go a lot better. Shit ain't easy.
Y'all ready to see the hood? Jimmy, are they ready for this?
They need some cleaning, but overall,
Oh!
yeah.
Oh,
Well, not so bad.
damn. Dude on camera looks fucking crazy.
Peace.
Have a great week, y'all. Have fun next weekend. I know it's gonna be sunny, so have fun without me. Peace.
Peace.
Once he has all of it on, it actually looks super fucking sick. Race car spec.
Oh man, see?
Alright, well, I guess this vlog is uncompleted, but at least we got to hang out with friends and have a good time.
All right, later.
Bye, friend. And Jimmy's gonna be driving like this. A week or 2 at most, maybe. We ruined. Gotta be some clickbait ass title. I'm gonna put a clickbait title, guys.